What is going on, guys? Today's video we have a portrait frame. So this is a photo frame, Wi-Fi enabled. They have a 1080p and a 2K version of this. The 2K version retails for about $100. This one retails for around $80. So we're just gonna check this one out. This is one of the most popular ones. Thank you for sending this out to review. We're just gonna get straight into it. So this is the box here, a really nice box. Good for gifts. On the back of the box, it just has the app. You can download it on both platforms and it just shows the specs. It has 4,000 plus memory capacity, so 16 gigs of storage. So if you have a 4K photo, it'll compress it down to about 300 KB, which is really a small file. It says share your moments, 9-inch display. This is a 1080p version, but they do have more versions available. Fast photo and video transfer. So this does have video as well, so you can put videos on there and you can have like a little moment. I think it's up to 3 seconds and up. So getting it up. We have a blue box now. I'm very impressed with the packaging so far. Right side we have the power supply. So this is a AC adapter. It's rated at 5 volts at 0.3 amp. So right here we have the photo frame itself. Now obviously I did use this already, so it has fingerprints on here which I have to wipe down. But it does come with a stand here, or you can mount it on the bottom. Or top, I should say. You can mount it right there. It does have a speaker, so you can hear the sound. You can control the sound on the video before you send it. And then right here you have a little stand place where it goes. So you put the stand in right there. On the side you have a slot for an SD card slot. So you can have a little expanded memory there. Audio jack, so you can hook it up to a speaker if you wanted to. USB port for charging stuff, and a USB data transfer cable, and a power. And a button on the back, which is pretty clicky. Right here you have the user manual. Everything you need to know about the product in various languages are in this manual, so you won't have an issue, and they are categorized and all that stuff. So really nice to see that. Let's go ahead and get it. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little wipe down of the screen real quick. And there we go. Plugged it into power. It says love is sharing. I'll go ahead and take it off the stand so you guys can see. All right, there you go. There's a photo frame. I'm gonna go ahead and get my phone here. So you make sure you get the app, Framio, right there. And then once you do that, you should be good to go. It says right here, never disconnect the power when Framio is running. Make sure you press the button on the back first and then you can disconnect it. Don't just pull the cable out. Why they have a button like that. This is touchscreen obviously, so I just hit a photo right now since I already had photos on here. You can add friends to put photos on here. So if you have someone come over and you want to share a photo to the photo frame, if you went somewhere, you can do that. Very easy transfers. It says you can add friends. You can add a friend here and it'll show the code. So within the app, once you set it up fully, you can go ahead and put a photo on there. Really simple. I'm not even gonna get through the process. It's really simple on how to do it. And if you ever get lost, there is a user manual and they have a video on YouTube to finish it. Right here, select the photo frame if you have multiple, and then you just hit next. You can put a caption there as well, and then you're good to go. All right, so I'll go ahead and send this. This is a video, like I said. So we're gonna send a video here. You can trim the video if you wanted to, which I will, and then you can send the video. It has to be a minimum of 3 seconds. And there we go, we got video on there, and the quality on it is pretty decent. It's not the best, not the worst, and you can obviously rotate it like normal. You can go through your photos as well. So as you can see, it shows you the time, date, and who sent it on the bottom left. I'm not too sure if you could hide that in settings, but as you can see, I fit to frame now, so now you can actually see the photo. Yeah, there's a lot you can do in here. So far it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some more angles with this, and I will be right back. All right, so we got the frame here. I'm gonna show you, we can add a friend there, and that's where the code is. We're gonna go into settings and everything else like that. So in settings, you can be able to change pretty much everything you want. You can change the brightness right here, so you can adjust it however you want. I'm gonna show you the lowest of how it goes. It's pretty low, but you can still see it very visibly, which is nice. It'll draw less power as well. When you want it to turn off, so if you want it to turn off when you're sleeping, you can do that, which is really helpful because you don't have to have it turned on constantly. You can also change each slide basically. If you want it to be 15 seconds per video, it'll go like a slideshow and it'll change, or you can go all the way below and you can do it however you want as well. And then right here you also have more settings, so you can go into many different things within this app, or actually within the settings itself within the actual device. You have volume for the notifications. You can change the volume for just volume in general, since videos do have the option to put audio as well. Right here, you do have more options for SD card and other stuff. You can factory reset it right there, which I will do in a bit just to show you that it works. All your files are right there. So the stored data is in there. You can clear the cache, you can do all that stuff. It's basically just an Android tablet, but with more functionality, so you'll be able to easily access photos. It's really nice, and it's less than $100, so why wouldn't you get it? Okay, there we go. We reset it, and that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and go into the settings. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Turn it off with the power button, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.